You know what will make that hallway look even more beautiful? It's a table! So we have everything unboxed. Here is the instructions manual. All the parts are labeled. The steps are very clear with the pieces you would use and the number. And even comes with a Phillips screwdriver. Here are all the fasteners that's required. Here's the power outlet. Let's go ahead and get started. Should be very simple. Wow, that looks totally amazing. Before it was so empty and boring. So the reason why I decided to go with this narrow entry table is because it's only 9 inches in depth. So it fits the tightest of places, and it makes perfect sense to put it right here because it's right next to my laundry room. Wow, look at that rustic brown finish. It matches perfectly with my decor. And of course you have the 2 USB and 2 AC outlet, which we're going to test later. And it's conveniently located right next to my laundry room. We have the stackable LG washer and dryer. So before I was placing my dish detergent, everything up there by the window, it was just look ugly. So now I can finally have a place to put it conveniently. And don't worry, this has a large low capacity. On the top, you are able to store items up to 66 pounds, and on the bottom up to 40 pounds. And as a final test, being the product test engineer that I am, let's make sure the power outlet is able to support everything. I have everything connected, 2 USB, 2 AC power. Got the fan on. What's this? What is it? Oh, got a light on high. What's this? Wow. And lastly, it's charging a laptop. Wow, so everything works great, looks great. This is the perfect location where I can probably even have it as like a makeshift office. Yeah, it's amazing like that. So if you're looking for a beautiful entryway table that's easy to assemble and has an elegant look and finish and able to power your electronic devices, definitely give the Yoobure brand a look.